Sesame Street Alphabet Kitchen.
Great! Let's get started. First, Chef Elmo will spread U, O, U, A, O. Time to decorate. Look at all the different colors. Elmo loves that there are so many different toppings to choose from. Ooh, nice choice, Chef. Okay, Chef, now here's the best part. Elmo can't wait to share our cookie yard. Hooray! Check out our cookie display. Tap the cookies to read. Chef Elmo thinks this one turned out really well.
Me never see art that looks so delicious. Nom 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 nom. Whoa, this cookie Picasso. Nom 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 nom. You cookie, this cookie is unbelievable. Nom 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 nom. Oh, this cookie should be hanging in museum or me tummy. Nom 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 nom.
Good job sharing, Chef. Let's make some more. First, Chef Elmo will spread out the O, like in A, O, E, U. Great job, Chef. Now it's time to decorate. Oh, interesting choice, Chef. Do you want to add some more? Elmo loves that there are so many different toppings to choose from. Oh, Elmo likes what you did there. Okay, Chef, now here's the best part. Elmo can't wait to share our cookie yard. Ta-da! Behold, our cookie creations. Tap the this A cookie is astounding.
Whoa, this cookie Picasso. Nom 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 nom. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Nom 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 nom. Okay, this is my favorite one. Who me kidding? They all me favorite. Nom 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 nom. E cookie. Nom 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 nom.
Good job sharing, Chef. Let's make some more. First, Chef Elmo will spread like A, E, I, O. Great job, Chef. Now it's time to decorate. Oh, very nice, Chef. Elmo loves that there are so many different toppings to choose from. Oh, that's nice. Very nice, Chef. Okay, Chef, now here's the best part. Elmo can't wait to share our cookie yard. Tap the thank you, Chef. Oh, Elmo's gonna eat this cookie like Cookie Monster.
Wow, you good. Whoa, this cookie Picasso. Nom 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 nom. Me never see art that looks so delicious. Nom 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 nom. Wow, you cookie artist.
Yeah,
Nom 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 nom. Aha! Me like what you did here. Yeah, it's very avant yummy.
Oh,
Nom
nice.
nom nom nom. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, little chef. Now we make more cookies.
Yeah. First, Chef Elmo will spread out the dough. Now, choose one. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Let's add icing and toppings. Elmo likes what you did there. Elmo loves that there are so many different toppings to choose from. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, do you want to add some more? Okay, Chef, now here's the best part. Elmo can't wait to share our cookie yard. Hooray! Check out our cookie display. Tap the Chef Elmo thinks this one looks really special.
Aha! Me like what you did here. Yeah, it's very avant yummy.
Oh,
Nom
nice.
nom nom nom. Me never see art that looks so delicious. Nom 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 nom. Wow, you cookie artist.
Yeah,
Nom 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 nom. Whoa, this cookie Picasso. Nom 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 nom.
Good job sharing, Chef. Let's make some more.